Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use everything on this 8.4-inch speedometer for a RAM. So this one is a Longhorn edition, as you can see. So it has a special stitching everywhere inside. So all you're gonna use is these controls on the sides. So let's say you want to switch to kilometers, you're gonna press this. That's the kilometers. So you can go down into your vehicle information, go down. Here's all of your gauges, oil pressure, oil life, all of your gauge summary together, and your engine hours. So this is your fuel economy. This is your trip information. Your second trip information. This is your radio information. And then this is all of your messages. So if you have any warning messages, it will show over here. So tire pressure, turn the signal out, all that. And then if you go down, this is actually the fun part. You can actually change everything. So we're gonna enter into screen setup mode. So here we can change. So upper left, it will actually highlight where you want to change. So we have time for our upper left here. Odometer. So for lower gauge, so let's say I don't want the transmission temperature. I could actually change it. So I can just remove it at all, like this, into current MPG, oil life, oil temperature, transmission temperature. It's like up to you how you like it. Upper left we have the time. Upper right is our temperature. And for upper gauge, you can also change it too. You can change it to oil temperature, however you like it. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. And then we do sell these. So if you guys want to install and do an upgrade for your RAM, which has a smaller speedometer inside, we also do that. Just like let me know what's your mileage, how many mileage you need. We will actually change the mileage for you, and also the engine hours for you. So if it will work, we have a diesel version, a without diesel version. So just let me know. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.